You have to give your medical aid number. I thought the government will pay for all of the vaccinations. What's the purpose of that?
So, as indicated on the registration system, that the medical aid is part of the funding model for the vaccines. The medical aid, it's been registered as a prescribed medical benefit, a vaccine, and the medical aids will pay government directly for the vaccine. It, however, will have no impact on the individual's saving accounts or their day-to-day or any of their benefits. And also the individual that gets vaccinated will not be required to make any payment. They will not pay for the vaccine, and they're also not required to pay an administration fee or a levy. The vaccine is free at the point of vaccination.
So in other words, just to be absolutely clear, the reason you get that is you will then be able to send, for example, my medical aid a bill and say, J.M. Perlman vaccinated on this and this date, you owe us X.
Correct.
Okay. Now, here's another one. Some people invariably, as soon as you type in your ID number, you do it with a slight fluttering in the stomach. I think this is something that many people feel. Let me read the question and then you can give your response. John, the site for vaccines registration, do we know who provided the software? I take you back to other government initiates school registration site that got hacked. How safe is it going to be to give out my ID number and name? Is the site going to take responsibility if they get hacked and my info is exposed?
So we have confirmed all possible securities, and we continuously are monitoring security of the system in its totality, so that we allow that it's secure. And if you read the terms and conditions, we stipulated in there that we are putting all measures in place to ensure that the data is secure. And one of the key securities is that we do not release the information of where the data is stored or who is the person that is developing the system. The system is owned by government.
News.
Experts.
Analysis.
Where things stand.
What you need to know. Drive home with John Perlman
On 702.